1. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. 2. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. 3. Al-Malik, the absolute ruler. 4. Al-Quddus, the pure one. 5. As-Salam, the source of peace. 6. Al-Mu'min, the inspirer of faith. 7. Al-Muhaymin, the preserver of safety. 8. Al-Aziz, the mighty. 9. Al-Jabbar, the compeller. 10. Al-Mutakabbir, the supreme. 11. Al-Khaliq, the creator. 12. Al-Bari, the evolver. 13. Al-Musawwir, the fashioner. 14. Al-Ghaffar, the ever-forgiving. 15. Al-Qahhar, the all-compelling subduer. 16. Al-Wahhab, the bestower. 17. Ar-Razzaq, the provider. 18. Al-Fattah, the supreme solver. 19. Al-Alim, the all-knowing. 20. Al-Qabid, the restrainer. 21. Al-Basit, the extender. 22. Al-Khafid, the humbler. 23. Ar-Rafi, the exalter. 24. Al-Mu'izz, the honorer.